Auguste Comte is regarded as one of the founders of the field of sociology, even though he was not the first to dive into its study and research. But he did coin the term in 1838 and studied society in a scientific way, something he called positivism. Comte hoped that humans could improve society by studying and analyzing it. Although he, along with other social scientists of the time, tried to place it and other related fields under one roof, they failed. But they did create their own separate fields like sociology and psychology, which came into existence in 1876. Comte grew up in France near the end of the French Revolution and during the Napoleonic years. Eventually, he moved to Paris, where he became interested in the works that studied the history of human society. Comte embraced the study, and he sought to find a system where one could change society for the better. He divided the study of society into the social dynamics, or the study of what causes society to change, and social statistics, or what held society together. He questioned how society and the scientists and how we as people evolved. He asked why certain areas remained static and why others changed. Now, along the way, he proposed that society developed into stages, and he called it the law of the three stages. First, he felt that people looked at society from a religious view. Second, they understood society as natural rather than supernatural. And third, the metaphysical stage. In this third stage, he felt that people would be governed by science and sociologists. Now, if one wants to see this as kind of a visual, you can look at it like early childhood with that religious stage, all the way up to when somebody is middle-aged, entering then that metaphysical stage. This is what he thought in terms of society. Now, although it's not followed today, it gives us insight into Comte's approach. The greatest gift that he gave to sociology was his positivist viewpoint, where he stressed a scientific approach to the social sciences. Sociology today uses quantitative and qualitative research techniques to create theories about how society functions based on the scientific method. Comte wrote numerous works. He also discussed and wrote on religion and how society related to it. He felt that if a society would ever become atheistic, they would still need something similar to a religious structure, so they would not be brought down because of a focus on just materialism or the accumulation of wealth. To him, it would be something like a church of humanity, and he wrote about it. And then people actually opened them up. There was one in England and then in Brazil, and the one in Brazil is still open to this day. Comte's work on society would gain ground when Harriet Martineau translated his work into English, thus opening the door for other thinkers to expand upon his original thoughts. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and always remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.